بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ألف لام ميم.
Alif Lam Mim.
أحسب الناس أن يتركوا أن يقولوا آمنا وهم لا يفتنون.
Do people think that they will be let go merely by saying, "We believe," and that they will not be tested?
ولقد فتنا الذين من قبلهم فليعلمن الله الذين صدقوا وليعلمن الكاذبين.
For we indeed tested those who went before them. Allah will most certainly ascertain those who spoke the truth and those who lied.
أم حسب الذين يعملون السيئات أن يسبقونا ساء ما يحكمون.
Do the evildoers suppose that they will get the better of us? How evil is their judgment!
من كان يرجو لقاء الله فإن أجل الله لآت وهو السميع العليم.
Let him who looks forward to meeting Allah know that Allah's appointed term will surely come to pass. He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
ومن جاهد فإنما يجاهد لنفسه إن الله لغني عن العالمين.
Whosoever strives in the cause of Allah does so to his own good. Surely Allah stands in no need of anyone in the whole universe.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لنكفرن عنهم سيئاتهم ولنجزينهم أحسن الذي كانوا يعملون.
Those who believe and do good deeds, we shall cleanse them of their evil deeds and reward them according to the best of their deeds.
ووصينا الإنسان بوالديه حسنا وإن جاهداك لتشرك بي ما ليس لك به علم فلا تطعهما إلي مرجعكم فأنبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
We have enjoined upon man kindness to his parents, but if they exert pressure on you to associate with me in my divinity any that you do not know to be my associate, do not obey them. To me is your return, and I shall let you know all that you have done.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لندخلنهم في الصالحين.
As for those who believed and acted righteously, we shall certainly admit them among the righteous.
ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله فإذا في الله جعل فتنة الناس كعذاب الله ولئن جاء نصر من ربك ليقولن إنا كنا معكم أوليس الله بأعلم بما في صدور العالمين.
Among people, there are some who say, "We believe in Allah," but when such a person is made to endure suffering in Allah's cause, he reckons the persecution he suffers at the hands of people as though it is a chastisement from Allah. But if victory comes from your Lord, the same person will say, "We were with you." Does Allah not know whatever is in the hearts of the people of the world?
وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ الْمُنَافِقِينَ.
Allah will surely ascertain who are the believers and who are the hypocrites.
وقال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا اتبعوا سبيلنا ولنحمل خطاياكم وما هم بحاملين من خطاياهم من شيء إنهم لكاذبون.
The unbelievers say to the believers, "Follow our way, and we will carry the burden of your sins." They say so, even though they are not going to carry any part of their sins. Surely they are lying.
وَلَيَحْمِلُنَّ أَثْقَالَهُمْ وَأَثْقَالًا مَعَ أَثْقَالِهِمْ وَلَيُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ عَمَّا كَانُوا يَفْتَرُونَ.
They will certainly carry their own burdens and other burdens besides their own. They will assuredly be called to account on the day of resurrection concerning the fabrications which they contrived.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ فَلَبِثَ فِيهِمْ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ إِلَّا 50 عَامًا فَأَخَذَهُمُ الطُّوفَانُ وَهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ.
We did indeed send Noah to his people, and he lived among them 1,000 years save 50. Eventually, the flood overtook them while they were engaged in wrongdoing.
فَأَنجَيْنَاهُ وَأَصْحَابَ السَّفِينَةِ وَجَعَلْنَاهَا آيَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ.
Then we rescued Noah together with the people in the ark and made it, that is the ark, a lesson for all people.
وَإِبْرَاهِيمَ إِذْ قَالَ لِقَوْمِهِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَاتَّقُوهُ ذَلِكُمْ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ.
We sent Abraham, and he said to his people, "Serve Allah and fear Him. This is better for you if you only knew."
إنما تعبدون من دون الله أوثانا وتخلقون إفكا إن الذين تعبدون من دون الله لا يملكون لكم رزقا فابتغوا عند الله الرزق واعبدوه واشكروا له إليه ترجعون.
Those that you worship instead of Allah are merely idols, and you are simply inventing lies about them. Indeed, those whom you worship beside Allah have no power to provide you with any sustenance. So seek your sustenance from Allah, and serve only Him, and give thanks to Him alone. It is to Him that you will be sent back.
وَإِن تُكَذِّبُوا فَقَدْ كَذَّبَ أُمَمٌ مِّن قَبْلِكُمْ وَمَا عَلَى الرَّسُولِ إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
And if you give the lie to the messenger, then many nations before you also gave the lie to their messengers. The messenger is charged with no other duty than to deliver the message in clear terms.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا كَيْفَ يُبْدِئُ اللَّهُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ إِنَّ ذلك على الله يسير.
Have they never observed how Allah creates for the first time and then repeats it? Indeed, to repeat the creation of a thing is even easier for Allah than creating it for the first time.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف بدأ الخلق ثم الله ينشئ النشأة الآخرة إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Say, go about the earth and see how He created for the first time, and then Allah will recreate life. Surely Allah has power over everything.
يعذب من يشاء ويرحم من يشاء وإليه تقلبون.
He chastises whom He will and forgives whom He will. To Him all of you will be sent back.
وما أنتم بمعجزين في الأرض ولا في السماء وما لكم من دون الله من ولي ولا نصير.
You cannot overpower Allah, neither on the earth nor in the heaven. None can protect you from Allah, nor come to your aid against Him.
والذين كفروا بآيات الله ولقائه أولئك يئسوا من رحمتي وأولئك لهم عذاب أليم.
Those who disbelieved in Allah's signs and in meeting Him, it is they who have despaired of my mercy. It is they for whom a painful chastisement lies ahead.